Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are in the best of your health. Today we are going to study a very interesting topic of cutting edge technologies. So today's topic is augmented reality and the second one is Internet of Things. So let's move on. I hope you are taking the precautions for COVID-19. You have to wash your hands frequently. You have to use mask whenever you go outside. You use mask. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth with your hands. You know and that our hands are contaminated with viruses, so we have to avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth with the hands. And the important one is maintain physical distance of 2 meter and 6 feet. So let's, keeping these precautions in mind, move on. So in the last video we have studied the artificial intelligence technology. I hope you all have watched the video, and today we are going to study the augmented reality and Internet of Things, and these two technologies we will study in the next video. So let's start with augmented reality. It is a very interesting topic, augmented reality. So first of all I want to tell you that augmented reality is one of the most important technology of cutting edge technology. So in this topic we are going to study how a virtual world can be connected with the real world. Means we are living in a real world, this is the real world, and how we can connect it with the virtual world. So you can see this figure. Here we have an example of a wristwatch, how it appears on our hand. So before buying we can see the image here, that how a particular watch with a particular color can appear on our hand without we are actual buying it. So before buying we can consider every color of this watch. So this is an example of augmented reality. Augmented means enlarged or extended, or you can say that reality with something added to it. So here you can see the hand, and this watch appears on the hand as we are wearing it. Let's move on with an other example. Suppose we have to design the interior of our house and we want a couch or a sofa inside in the middle of our room. So now before buying it, before going to the market or ordering it online, we can see the image here how it appears in this living room. This is the living room, and by using this app of augmented reality we can see how this couch will appear here in the middle of this room on this carpet. It is not actually present here, but we have included a virtual image of this couch in this living room. So we can say that the word augmented means to make something larger or greater. We have make something larger means we have included this virtual object in this real world. In simple words, AR is the combination of real and virtual computer generated worlds. So here the real world is this our living room without this sofa, and we have combined the virtual element, means this virtual element we have added to this real world. This virtual element is the sofa or the couch. So it is this augmented reality is the combination of real and virtual worlds. Augmented reality is an interactive reality based display which adds digital element to the real world. Digital element here is this couch, and it is added to the real world, means it is added to the living room. ये यहाँ पर नहीं है, but it is superimposed. To create a composite view, AR uses a virtual object superimposed on a real environment. So the word superimposed here means to add something to the real environment. So we have added this couch to the real environment. So to create a composite view, AR uses a virtual object superimposed on real environment. This virtual object is superimposed in this real environment of living room. Now you have listened or you have heard about the gaming of augmented reality, and the name of the game is Pokemon Go. So in this game, the concept of augmented reality is used. The game Pokemon Go is a popular video game that uses AR. It uses smartphone's GPS signal to enable a location-based augmented reality environment. अब इस गेम में क्या होगा कि ये जो गेम है, ये GPS इसमें लोकेशन ऑन होगी इस गेम में जब हम इसको प्ले करेंगे. It will collect the GPS location of our and it will add to this game. ये GPS लोकेशन इस गेम के अंदर भी आ जाएगी and then you will get the different Pokemons at different level. Suppose the Pokemon is present at near this tree. ये ट्री के नीचे एक Pokemon दिखेगा आपको. Now you have to go to that tree in real world. You have to go to that tree and then you will be able to catch this Pokemon or something like that. So it has added the real world with the virtual game. So this augmented reality is being used in this game Pokemon Go. Now we will next move on to the next technology, and the name of this technology is Internet of Things. So we will start with this Internet of Things by taking an example. Let's imagine that there is a car and there is a device in this car which is sending the car data to the repair shop. Means the car data means the air pressure, the oil level, and the internal working of the car. It is collecting the data. A device is there which is collecting the data and it is sending to the repair shop. So now what this shop is doing, it is the data being collected here and identified the problem. This shop has collected the data from this device and identified the problem in the car and it has sent message to the owner. यहाँ से ये डिवाइस जो इसको डेटा भेजेगा कि इसका लेवल ये है. All the data will be collected by this shop and that shop will decide what is the problem in this car and it will message to the owner that your car is having such a problem. Now this collected data will be seen by the owner. जो इस कार का मालिक है उसको पता लग जाएगा कि कार में क्या प्रॉब्लम है and then it will decide that he has to take this car to the car shop. So in this way the things are interacting with each other without human interaction. ये डिवाइस जो है, इनके जो डिवाइस है ये शॉप है, इससे it is interacting with this shop and then they are sending the message to this device. So we can say that the Internet of Things is a computing concept that refers to the linking of physical devices to the internet and to each other so that they can collect and exchange data. अब देखो इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग जो है वो एक ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट है या ऐसा सिस्टम है जिसमें डिवाइसेस आपस में बातें करेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ इंटरनेट. और वो डिवाइसेस जो दोज डिवाइसेस विल वर्क टू हेल्प द ह्यूमन फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ ह्यूमन. इंसान के अच्छे के लिए वो काम करेंगे टू गिव द बेनिफिट टू द ह्यूमन. सो इन दिस वे all devices are working with each other. It is a network of devices which can collect and transfer data over the internet without any human intervention. ये Internet of Things जो है ये network of devices है which can collect data एंड ट्रांसफर डेटा, जो कि डेटा कलेक्ट करेगा और ट्रांसफर करेगा ओवर द इंटरनेट विदाउट एनी ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन। इसमें ह्यूमन का कोई इंटरवेंशन नहीं है, वो अपने आप ही डिवाइसेस विल इंटरेक्ट ऑटोमेटिकली। दिस इज द मेन कंसेप्ट ऑफ इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स। Now I hope you all have understood what is the concept of Internet of Things. Internet of Things, I want to remind you again, Internet of Things is a system, एक ऐसा सिस्टम है जिसमें सभी डिवाइसेस, बहुत से डिवाइसेस हैं जो that devices are going to interact with each other. We will take the example by the applications of Internet of Things. So this figure you can see in your book also. It is the application of Internet of Things: smart homes, smart cities, wearables, industrial internet, connected cars, and smart farming. So it has many applications, more than these also, but here in this chapter we will study about these main applications of IoT or Internet of Things. So let's start with the smart home. You can see the image in your book also, and here you can see the image. In this image, this phone is being connected to these all devices. ये सभी devices हैं, ध्यान से देखो, एयर कंडीशनर, लाइट कंट्रोल, विंडो कंट्रोल। यहाँ पे इन सभी devices में सेंसर्स लगे हैं जो इन सब devices को कंट्रोल करेंगे, and these sensors are connected to the internet. And via internet these devices are connected ultimately to this our smartphone. So as we go outside our home, suppose we go outside at our home at 1 p.m. and we are late in the evening, so we want to shut this window. We will set the control here that you have to shut this window. We will order this, we will instruct this device to shut down the window, and automatically the window will be shut down as it is connected with the internet, and this is connected with also the internet. So here other devices also like LED control, air conditioner. सपोज कि हम बाहर गए एंड वी आर अबाउट टू रीच अवर होम इन हाफ एन आवर, हमको आधे घंटे में हम घर पहुंचने वाले हैं, देन वी कैन इंस्ट्रक्ट दिस एयर कंडीशनर टू start on so that the room gets cooler as we reach home. This is the STB TV control. So all these devices, they are interacting with each other and with the smartphone so that it can benefit the human. Appliances in smart homes are connected to built-in sensors. इन सभी devices में sensors होंगे जो इस डिवाइस को हेल्प करेंगे, जो हमारी हेल्प करेंगे to give the data to us. The appliances such as lighting and electronic devices can be controlled remotely by the owner, often via a mobile app. These devices can be controlled by the owner by using this mobile app. You can see here home control. So all these devices are being added with this app. Let's take one more application: smart cities. You all have heard about smart cities. India is going to build 100 smart cities by 2022. ये एक प्रोजेक्ट है, सबको पता ही होगा स्मार्ट सिटीज का। स्मार्ट सिटीज कैसी होगी, ये देखो ऐसी होगी स्मार्ट सिटीज, जिसमें you will be provided with so many facilities ranging from the infrastructure to the traffic rules and many other things that will be provided smartly in the cities. So a smart city relies heavily on information and communication technology (ICT) to develop, deploy, and promote sustainable development practices. The smart city will include the technology of information and communication. मीन्स कि एक स्मार्ट सिटी जो होगी उसमें इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी तो इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करेगी ही. सम की फीचर्स दैट मेक स्मार्ट सिटीज यूनिक आर स्मार्ट सर्वेलेंस, ऑटोमेटेड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, स्मार्ट एनर्जी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम्स, वाटर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, सिटी सिक्योरिटी एंड एनवायरमेंटल सिक्योरिटी. तो एक स्मार्ट सिटी में ये सब फीचर्स आपको मिलेंगे। स्मार्ट सर्वेलेंस मीन्स कि एक निगरानी होगी विद द हेल्प ऑफ digital cameras, and automated transportation means the transport will be automated according to the need of the people. Smart energy management systems mean green energy will be used, solar energy will be used, these systems will be deployed. Water distribution, city security and environmental security, ये सब चीजें किसमें इंक्लूड की जाएंगी? स्मार्ट सिटीज में। IoT means Internet of Things, has helped resolving problems such as traffic congestion, noise and pollution in smart cities. अब इन सब की हेल्प से, इन टेक्नोलॉजीज की हेल्प से हम ट्रैफिक कंजेशन मींस ट्रैफिक जैम से हम काफी हद तक छुटकारा पा सकेंगे। Noise and pollution in smart cities, it will help to reduce the noise pollution as well as the air pollution also in the smart cities. So this project, yeah, smart cities, the work is being started on these cities, and in the next few years we will be able to develop a good smart city. In the next 4-5 years we will be able to develop good smart cities. So in this video we have learned about the two important applications of Internet of Things, and the rest we will do in the next video, and we will study also the two important technologies, cloud computing and big data, in the next video. So I hope those who haven't watched the first video, they can watch, and till then you can take care of yourself. Thanks.